Meaning of decadent.
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 Decadent. Decadent describes something that is in a state of decay or decline, often due to excessive indulgence or luxury. It suggests a lack of self-control and moral values, leading to societal or personal decline. Decadence can manifest in various forms such as art, literature, culture, and even lifestyles. Its results can include the erosion of traditions and institutions, a sense of nihilism, and a focus on pleasure-seeking rather than purposeful action. Ultimately, it can lead to the downfall of individuals, societies, and civilizations.